Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So home design videos are perfect for AI visuals. With OpenArt, you can create stunning spaces and turn them into engaging videos for social media or clients. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create home design videos using OpenArt in 2026. So first thing first, choose your design style. So start with a clear concept like pick style. Okay, so modern, luxury, minimal. Okay, space type like living room, bedroom, kitchen, and mood like bright, cozy, dark, elegant. So for example, you can use this example. So I will show you here. So modern, luxury, living room, warm lighting, minimal design. So you can see it here. So generate key interior scene, like open OpenArt image in generator image. Okay, create a high quality room image. So for example, like this prompt, like modern living room. Okay, so I will show it to you directly. Okay, beige tones, natural light, large windows, ultra realistic 4K. So generate multiple and pick the best. Okay, so this becomes your style reference. Okay, so create more rooms with consistency, like generate bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, exterior. You keep same, so colors, materials, lighting, makes it feel like one house. Okay, so turn images into video clips too. So use OpenArt video generator, animate scenes, like you have this prompt. For example, this is just an example. You can read slow camera pan, cinematic, interior, soft lighting. So keep it clips 3 to 6 seconds and simulate camera movements. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.